procrastination, being overwhelmed, distractions. If any of these sound familiar, you're in the right place. Hi, welcome to Life's Little Fixes. Today we'll talk about how to be productive. Being productive isn't about doing everything. It's about focusing on what matters. Let's figure out what's holding you back and fix it with practical, easy-to-do tips. So let's plunge right in. So what's holding you back from being productive? They can be several things, one of which is procrastinating. We've all done it at some point. The other is feeling overwhelmed. You might feel so overwhelmed that when you see everything you have to do, you don't want to do anything. Like opening your email inbox and realizing there are 273 unread messages. Where do you even start? We've all been there too. Next are distractions. I know we've all went down that YouTube rabbit hole instead of doing those tasks that need completing. And as a bonus, mindset. You have to shift your mindset from, I can't do this, to, I'll just start small and see where it goes. So we have 4 common problems that can hold you back from being productive. But how do we deal with these pesky problems? Fear not, I've got you covered. Let's start with the first block, procrastination, the adversary of goal accomplishments. Have you ever put off starting a task because it feels too big or too boring? I know I have, and I'm sure at some point you have too. But procrastination isn't unbeatable. It just takes the right strategies to outsmart it. Let's dive into some tips to help you kick procrastination to the curb. What is procrastination? It's when you can't help but delay or postpone something you need to do, like cleaning the entire house instead of writing one email. So what's to be done? You could use the 5-minute rule. What's that? Glad you asked. Take that task you have been avoiding like the plague. Yes, that one. And set a timer for 5 minutes. Now work on that task for those 5 minutes utterly. Oftentimes, once you start, the momentum can often carry you forward and inspire you to keep going. The hardest part is often simply starting. You can also make it fun. How? You're on a roll with these questions. Think of this as a game with rewards. Finish this, and you've earned a guilt-free Netflix binge. Now that we've tackled procrastination, let's move to another common challenge, feeling overwhelmed. Let's start out with what it is exactly. It's when you have the strong emotional effect of feeling like you have too much to deal with. A to-do list with 25 things? That's a lot. No wonder it feels overwhelming. I've been there too. Here's what we can do. Prioritization will help you focus on, for example, 3 key tasks per day to complete. There are many frameworks and methods to choose from, but to begin with, there's one called the Eisenhower Matrix. Don't worry, it's not math. It's a method to divide up multiple tasks according to importance and urgency. Draw 4 large squares in a square shape. Our 4 spaces, or quadrants, will be different groups. Top left, urgent and important tasks. Do these immediately. Top right, important but not urgent. Schedule these soon. Bottom left, urgent but not important. Delegate or postpone if possible. Bottom right, neither urgent nor important. Put these off for now. You can pause here for a screenshot or grab the freebie linked below. If that was not a solution you want to try, then you could also simply break it down. Break down tasks into smaller, more actionable steps. Take it one step at a time. Once we tackle procrastination and overwhelm, distractions can still throw us off track. Distractions can happen to anyone, like when I started typing out an email only to somehow end up watching funny cat videos while asking myself, how did I get here again? Sound familiar? 2 quick fixes: phone detox and time blocks. I see those question marks. Hear me out. The phone detox solution is when you can put your phone on silent mode, or use app timers, or even literally just put your phone out of reach from you. This can allow you to focus on the task at hand. Let's say you want to try that 5-minute rule mentioned before. Put your phone on silent and set that timer and focus on the task for those 5 minutes. You never know, maybe 5 will turn into 10 or longer. The other solution is time blocks. Set a block of time, like 30 minutes in the morning for a specific task. You can use a timer for this too. Or if you wish to use a more relaxed schedule, a method I came up with and use is the relaxed schedule, or the lazy man's schedule. It's simple. Let's say you have 5 tasks to complete today and 3 tomorrow. Figure out a time to start the day, let's say 7 a.m. So, from 7 a.m. to 12 in the afternoon is the morning time block. Put 2 or 3 of the most important tasks here. Have your 1 hour lunch break from 12 to 1, and start the afternoon to evening time block from 1 to, let's say, 6 p.m. The remaining 2 or 3 tasks can go there. Notice I didn't mention writing specific hours of time. Well, that's the beauty of this. It doesn't pressure you to finish at specific times, but still gives you a schedule to work with. This method can be used for anything by anyone, and is good for those who are not used to following a stricter schedule. You can pause here for a screenshot or grab the freebie linked below. Time for the bonus tip, that mindset shift. If you're thinking, well, I am going through all these, so it must be laziness or something like that, I'm going to stop you right there. You're not lazy. You're stuck in an all-or-nothing mindset. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Progress is better than staying stuck. And I'm proud of you for trying. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Every step forward counts, no matter how small. So to recap, we tackled procrastination, overwhelm, distractions, and mindset shifts, each with actionable tips. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and share this with someone who might find it helpful. Remember, productivity is a journey. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every win. You've got this.